Sheikh Bilal, if I was to ask you to describe paradise for me in 2 minutes, how would you describe it?
Wow, 2 minutes. In it, there are things that no eye has ever seen or ear has ever heard, and things which no heart has ever even felt. Which no heart has ever even felt. Everything you could ever imagine, from the beginning of Adam till the end of time, all the creativity, all the Hollywood movies that have put it in such a magical way for people to believe things that are not true. Prophet ﷺ said, in Jannah there are things that no feeling has ever even reached. You know what that means? It means that, you know how sometimes we have a feeling and we don't know how to describe it? A feeling. Something happens in front of you, you get kind of a sad feeling, emotional feeling, inspirational feeling, happy feeling. But sometimes it reaches such an extreme point that there's no words to put in any language to describe that feeling. That's in this world. Rasul ﷺ says in Jannah there are things that you haven't even reached, that is actually beyond that even. That you have never experienced in this most subtle of feelings. You can never feel it in this world. You can never imagine it in this world, ever. Jannah, my brother, Akhi Malaz, viewers, is a garden full of greenery and colors that you have never imagined. There is no bad in it. All the negative feelings are taken out of the soul. So every negative feeling is no longer there. There is no jealousy. There is no hatred. There is no grudge. There is no depression. There is no anxiety. And you don't know why, but you always feel happy and you love it. And that happiness only increases beyond measure.
With every day?
Every second. There's no time. And there's so much to do. And if you run out of imaginations, the angels give you ideas. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala speaks to you. You speak to Him. You see Allah. In the Quran, in Surah Al-Qiyamah, you see Allah says, وَجُوهٌ يَوْمَئِذٍ نَاظِرَةٌ إِلَىٰ رَبِّهَا نَاظِرَةٌ. Faces brightened. They're watching Allah, their Lord. And when you see Allah, all that beauty in Jannah that took your breath away and your mind away, you forget it. Because Allah is more beautiful than all of that. SubhanAllah. Allah says in the Quran, whoever enters paradise will live forever in happiness and never will they ever feel a feeling of negativity. That's what I can say in 2 minutes.
SubhanAllah.